No, I'm good.
Son of a fucking
I have
bitch,
Zeus.
dude.
Okay.
Can I get healed, pretty please? Thank you. This shit's hard, man.
Dude, the tracers on this Afghan chopper are a lot
Oh, I
better.
know. I love them.
Hey, Crawford.
Yeah. What's up? What's up?
Look. Up
Oh,
tail.
mashallah. I can't fly, but I'll try. I'm gonna fucking die, but you know, it's alright. We'll try and get something done. I'll try and draw their fire, man. Oh no, not into the fucking tree. God damn it. It went off to the right and it hit the fucking tree, man.
So you went to the
God
right.
damn it, dude.
Wait,
Son of
what?
a bitch.
Dude, that's funny shit.
I'm sorry. It fucking veered off into the fucking tree and I couldn't do anything about it.
I find it very funny.
ELio, how low are you? Okay, like around 6 meters, okay.
God
Okay.
damn it, man.
Look at me. I'm worthy.
Alright, hopefully this time I won't fucking crash into anything.
So fucking stressful, dude. Like flying over bridges, fucking over bridges, under bridges. That's some shit. Yeah. I just did a couple. Yeah. Especially with you with that advanced flight mobile going on, fuck. It's crazy. Should be on my right somewhere, right? Oh, I see you. I got eyes on. Don't you have your fucking rugged tablet up? Are you being engaged? Yeah, eyes on. Okay. I cannot see anything. Is this you? Fuck. Okay.
I don't know where you guys are at, man.
Both are you named fucking 3-cap, goddammit.
Fuck, dude, where'd you guys go? Where you guys at, Strickland? Where you guys at?
Whoa. Is that you? Okay. Fuck. Yeah.
Where did everybody go, man? I'm fucking lost.
Yeah, that's me on the river. No, that wasn't me. That wasn't me.
Not.
Fog of war. Fog of war. Okay, are you flying north or
This is
south?
what I'm using. Oh, you turned around wrong.
Wait, which? I'm getting fired on. Is that you? Fuck.
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Fuck, he's this bastard. Trying to outmaneuver me.
Where in the flying fuck are all of you, man? Oh, who am I gonna be shooting at?
Yeah, that's the tough part, Crawford.
It's a fucking free for all.
That Crawford flying
Crawford.
Is that you, Strickland?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
I got fucking Winters on me.
Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna crash! I'm gonna crash! I'm gonna crash!
Hey,
Oh,
Crawford,
how
this
did
might
I?
help.
How did I just get up? How the fuck did I just do that?
Oh, bollocks.
Woo! You got me. I'm dead.
Who's that? Whoa. Fuck.
Why
dude.
is it so hard to control, man?
Oh shit, my thing is staying up.
I fucked something up, dude. My shit's like, I'm flipping. Ooh, what the fuck just happened?
Yeah, you know, getting fired upon, Crawford might have been it, dude. Yo, who's that? Who's that? Who's that smoking?
Oh my god, what the fuck is going on, dude? Oh, I'm gone. I didn't know what the fuck was going on, man. I was just...
Dude, my heli's still up. I've been dead for about a minute. My heli's still going. Oh, I'm alive! I'm alive!
Who the fuck's that?
I'm fucking alive! Yippee-ki-yay, motherfuckers!
Is that ELio or fucking no, Franklin? Jesus, Crawford. I really don't know.
The smoke?
No, the river guy.
Oh, that's not me. I'm fucking dead, dude.
Oh, is Strickland still fucking alive?
Yeah, I woke up!
Oh shit.
I was still up in the air. I was unconscious.
Yeah, no, I was dead, man. I don't know what happened. I was trying to go like forwards, and then it just spun me back around and into a tree.
Did any of that get you?
Ooh,
I'll take that as a yes.
easy outmaneuver.
Wait. Was that fucking ELio? Oh shit. Okay. So it's me.
One, let's go.
It's me and Strickland. I can't believe I've out.
Not for long. Come on, let's see how your skills have increased, Winters. See if you can keep up. Overshot, nice. Now it's mine.
Is it?
Ooh. I'm also bleeding out.
Yeah, I'm
Hey,
bleeding
bro,
out, dude.
give me a Bradley or an Abrams. I'll smoke
Oh fuck,
you
no, that's
motherfuckers.
an old thing. That's not you. Fuck. I thought that was way
Perfect.
like
I'm away.
because I don't have morphine. I'm tripping balls, dude. I don't know what's going on. I can barely see anything.
Hey, dude, give. Where are you at?
Dude, I feel kind
shit.
of bad. I shot ELio down.
Yeah. Nah, see, listen, the way
The
what
fuck
I
easy.
did,
I can't see anything. Oh.
I got like put in this whirlpool or whatever, dude, and I bounced off the ground and I was fine for a minute, and then as soon as I go to shoot you, I guess I went up a little bit too much, and I fucking just flew backwards and just spun into a tree. I hope somebody got a clip of me fucking bouncing off the ground.
I had to go under, else I was gonna die.
Oh fuck yeah, dude! I want to see me bouncing off the ground and fucking just spinning into a tree. Yeah.
Well, Winters is the winner.
Dude, get fuck. What could we do? We could do.
Did you actually go down, or
We could
Where
do
you're
we
trying
could
to
do
fly-
Abrams shit. We
Guys,
should
why
do
not-
Abrams stuff, guys. One
you pass
airman,
out?
one infantryman in each Abrams. Let's see what
No,
happens.
I couldn't gain enough altitude.
Oh,
Went to the
fucking
river.
potty. Oh, that's gang man. I'm trying to get me started.
You
Come on,
won.
bitch.
Nice.
Listen up. You can't stop the rain. You can't stop
God.
the rain.
Okay. I feel like that'd be a cool fucking dogfighting tactic when it comes to little birds, but there's no way in hell I'm pulling that off again. What happened was I got too fucking low and I hit the river and it slowed me down to like 32 kph, but I recovered. Somebody's damaging my helo. Which one of y'all motherfuckers is doing that? It's like, motherfucker.
Remember, sound like a Blackhawk. Keep the RPMs high. Pull back, pull back. Cushion, cushion, cushion.
Strickland,
Nice, you had it.
I did it.
You did it.
Am I an honorary W01 now?
Yeah, okay. Now you just have to do it consistently without damaging the aircraft. Because if you damage the aircraft in the trials,
Yeah.
you're done.
Oh.
Yeah, you
Well,
gotta redo it.
Give me a sec, I'll be back.
You're just shooting a guy that just and fighting back. For that, ELio. No, I switched off. I switched them. I thought it would fuck you up. Dude, it's so bad. Why is there a burning helicopter? What? No, it was inside the hangar. The fuck? It's been there, what?
Okay, what are we doing now, boys?
Fucking Abrams versus Abrams.
For real?
I'm down. One
What,
infantryman,
no,
one fucking.
what about the air boys?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. One infantryman and one fucking airman in Abrams. Since the infantry did the fucking flying shit, they should do the fucking oh fuck, I can't.
No,
explain. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but they're not required to do anything.
Well, no, I'm just saying I think it would be fun because we did fucking flying, and then they could fucking do ground shit with us. I fucking see that shit. That's fucking AIDS.
Why don't you be just like a full fucking asshole and do something like this?
I'm just. Oh, damn! Damn! ELio, I'm sorry. I gotta put you out of your misery. Oh, you're already dead.
You fucking serious?
You're not. You are. Fuck. I don't think so.
I just healed
Now
him.
you're dead. I was putting him out of his misery. He was suffering. Nah, I think we should do a tank
like
to tank
that.
battle, dude.
No,
Tank to
I
tank.
like that. I like that. I like
Alright.
what you I like what you're putting down, ELio.
All right. Winners. Get me on the fucking gun, dude. I'll gun that shit down.
But
Bro.
then again, I don't.
Somebody should put a timer on their phone so we can all get in like a position, and then like it'll be like